We are back. Today we will continue in the building of our drainage system. As you can see, last time we had a problem with landslides because of the really high level of underground water. As you can see, situation right now, yeah, it's not looking really good. So I really rethink the approach. Now we are going to build it step by step, like really to build it like a 10 meters by 10 meters by 10 meters. Yeah, so we will prevent these slides of the ground, and I think it will be much quicker and easier. Last time we dug the trench for the drainage system, but guys, you have to really think about it a little bit. We have to achieve the clay layer in the ground. It's around like a 1 meter 30 centimeters down there, and the whole reason why we have to achieve this layer is the clay layer is waterproof. So really all water is going really down by the gravity till it reach the clay layer. And if we dig the trench and create a drainage system down there to this layer, we will be able to catch really like all water, all moisture from the ground, and really drainage it out through the drainage pipes out of the property. So now we are going to prepare the geotextilia and drainage pipe, and yeah, we are good to go. We are going to use this type of drainage pipe. It's plastic one. It has I have 2 pieces of this roll, and one is per 50 meters. It's 10 centimeters thick, and I will show you, it has these little perforations, and through this perforation the water will get inside, and through the pipe will go out the property. And I'm going to also use this type of geotextilia. It's the classic one, and this one is like 300 grams per square meter. Yeah, so it's really not the worst, not the best, but it's somewhere in the middle. So yeah, here we go. So as you can see, we laid the drainage pipe wrapped up in a geotextilia, and now we are trying just a little bit to separate this drainage pipe from the earth. So we are putting a little bit of the gravel here, and yeah, a lot of work to do. So yeah, we have to continue a little bit. So, and the third and last step, now we have to fill the trench with the earth and continue step by step, 5, 6, 7 meters by 7 meters, and to really finish it for 100%. Yeah, here we go. My friends, we had really like a few days of heavy rain. It's muddy, slippery, but we have to continue. Today we continue with drainage, and we are in the second stage. I will show you. My friends, today we are laying down the geotextilia to the trench. It's a 1 meter deep. On the bottom I will apply like 10 centimeters of this gravel. Then we will apply also drainage pipe, and we will fill the trench with the drainage gravel, and that will be it. And we will really continue step by step, section by section, till we will finish. So today we really need good luck, because as I said, it's muddy, slippery, it's warm, it's hot outside, humidity is like 100%, but anyhow we have to do it. Let's go. We finished first section. As you can see, nothing's there. We moved a little bit further We are almost in the corner down there, but my friends, the disaster happened. Our little green tractor does not work. The clutch is broken. So now we have to use those and connect real rough manpower. And we are back. Last time it was a disaster, so hopefully today we will finish it. Let's go. My friends, we are back after like 1 week, maybe 10 days, because we had like a period of thunderstorms and heavy rain. I will show you. It's like mud here. I'm already covered in the mud. And yeah, today we really have to somehow finish the drainage because we really would love to start the foundation process. So yeah, hard work is waiting for us. See down there, this is the end of the drainage pipe. So now I have to really clean the mud and to connect geotextilia and the gravel to also the pipe, and yeah, to make it like a whole piece. So it's almost done. It was never-ending story. Super bad weather. Yeah, but we are at the end. The trench is really finished. Now I have to do some manual touch, then to apply drainage pipe, and my friends, it will be done and ready for next phase for the foundation. Yeah, we need to finish it. Finally, drainage system is finished. Really finally finished. As you can see, the water is really flowing outside of property, so the system is working. It was a really tough part to prepare whole land with a drainage system. Yeah, we had really not the best weather during these days, but at the end, no worries guys, we really overcome all these kind of things, and today we can really make a statement. Finally we have the full land prepared for a digging of foundation. So my friends, if you really would love to support us, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, share the video, leave a comment, and yeah, we will see each other in the next video.